Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of my viewers. Thank you for watching the previous videos which you gave us. Me the response is very good. That will give me the confidence. So welcome back to my YouTube channels. Today we are discussing about how we will give the contour data in the PVcase file. When we are doing the layout, we need to give the coordinate contour data like how the soil behave in the file. So if you are new on my YouTube channels, kindly subscribe to my channels and click the playlist so you don't miss any free lesson. So wasting our time. So we move on to our topic. So first of all, I will discuss the contour. Basically, the contour line, the the soil or the land behavior, like where it is uh, how much above from the ground finish level, and how they will the steep or down. Here is the basic. Uh, Purpose of the contour so that the our panel will be installed in the actual uh, surface. So we are now wasting our time. We will move on to the our general data. You can see that here is a general layout generation system settings. So here is the option given is the topographic layout. Select the terrain. The first select. Okay. So here we will reset again, and also this. Both line we have selected, and almost all the line will be selected. So here is the curves will be showing there. So okay. Now we will move on to generate the layout. Uh, First of all, we will create a rectangular there, like in that direction. So here we will go there and generate the layout. So you can see that there the layout place on the uh, this contour data. So now when we will give the OR command, orbit command, you can see that here is the option. You can see that how the surface will turn now. Here is the above, here is the below surface, that. Here is the somehow like the above this surface. So here is the like in the terrain, like different curves there. So when we are seeing the layout, it will be placed on the. You can see that how they move on. In the center, it will be in the steeper path in the options. So main function of the contour is to align the PV module in the same direction. So the today topic is regarding these options. So I hope you have learned how we will give the uh, contour in our actual layouts when we are planning to draw the layout on the PB case. So we have to need all this information which I have step by step, uh, step by step, teaching to all of you, so you can learn the new things step by step, not on the at one level. So the today we have discussed about the contour data. So I hope you have learned this new things. If you have if you have any questions or any concern about that, you can comments on the that video, and I will be happy to respond on your comments. So if you like the video, kindly like the video, share to your friends and which want to learn the PVKs with your colleague and any persons. And also, if you have not already subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any free tutorial of the PV case. I hope you have understand my today topic, and if you have any query, you can raise the concern in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.